Hello everybody. Lesson 5 is to fold a crown like the one that I'm wearing. As always, we look at the folding diagram first. Start with a piece of square paper. First, valley fold on the diagonal line. Then we got a triangle. Valley fold the center line. Then two mountain folds with equal spacing. Here is origami model. Could you fold it? Pause the video and try it. Crown is a modular origami. It's an assembly of multiple modules. For the demonstration purpose, we're going to assemble 6 modules. Here is demonstration. Start with a square paper. Bring two corners together. Valley fold the diagonal line. Bring the two corners together. Valley fold the center line. Bring the corner to the center line. Mountain fold. Make the other mountain fold. Here is the origami model. Make 6 identical models and assemble them. This is the first model. Insert the second model into the center of first one and connecting them. Connect the third module to the center of second module. Line up the creases. Repeat the process until you assembled all of them. Finally, connect two end models. Now we got a crown. Now let's look at the math of all the folds. This valley fold gives us 1/2 and 45-degree angle because the right angle is 90 degrees. Let's look at this triangle. A triangle is called isosceles triangle if two sides are equal and two angles are equal. The valley fold divides the triangle into 2 equal parts. Each part is 1/2. The two mountain folds divide the triangle into 4 parts. Is each part 1/4? No, because the 4 parts are not equal. Then how much is each part? Let's find out. We can further divide this triangle by making 3 more folds. Then this triangle is divided into 8 equal parts. So each triangle is 1/8. We have another part that's 3/8. Compare 2 halves. It is clear that 1/2 is equivalent to 4/8. Again, this is equivalent fraction. A useful fact about a triangle is that in a triangle, 3 angles always add up to 180 degrees. Let's confirm this triangle with 45 degrees. The other angle is 45. The right angle is 90. So 3 angles add up to 180 degrees. This interesting fact can also be demonstrated in origami. Locate the longest side and the widest angle. Fold the valley through the angle that is perpendicular at 90 degrees to the longest side. The intersecting point is a reference point. Bring the 3 corners to the reference point. The 3 angles form a straight angle, 180 degrees. Now is the time for genius challenge. It is your turn to create a unique crown, to be a crowned OMG. You may apply the creative thinking in terms of different quantity, color, size, and even the different function. Happy folding!